back to my channel, and I've already done one eye and my foundation and concealer, so I'm just going to show you this eye. First, I'm going into the Flamingo palette from Violet Voss, and I'm going to be taking the shade Coral right here and just putting that all in my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Watermelon and just put that basically on top of the other color, but maybe just a little bit below it and a little bit in the outer corner. Next, I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to be taking this color right here called Love Letter, and I'm going to be using that to deepen up the outer corner, just to make it more dark pink, because we're doing a pretty colorful look today. And then I'm going to take back that first brush we used and then just blend this all out, just so we don't have any harsh lines of pink. Now I'm going to be taking the Best Year Ever palette by Too Faced, and I'm going to take this dark burgundy purple color right here called Pinecone. I'm just going to take it on this flat brush right here and add a little bit more to the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to do a half cut crease using this Adri Wine concealer by Maybelline. And I'm just going to cut the crease. And I'm just going to take my finger and blend the rest of that out a tiny bit. Now I'm just going to set that with just a regular eyeshadow before we add on that blue color. Now, oh, nothing broke. We're gonna go back into the Flamingo palette, and we're going to take this color right here called Tidal Wave. And I'm going to take this brush right here, it's a little flat brush. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. And then I'm just going to put that all over where we just cut the crease. Now I'm going to take back this brush we used for the dark pink, and I'm going to blend these two colors together. Now I'm going to mix this color called Oceanfront and this color called Surf, and just put those in my inner corner. that finishes up the eyeshadow. Now we are just going to put on some mascara. I'm going to take this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. This is a pretty old bottle, but I'm still getting my uses out of it. Alright, now let's add just a little bit to our lower lash line. I'm basically just going to do the same steps for the lower lash line as I did for my crease and my outer corner and just basically my whole eye. Except I may not add the blue color. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I don't think I'm going to add the blue color. Alright guys, so I just added a little bit of bronzer and highlighter just to finish off the look, and I done my lower lash line, and that is going to be all for this look, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.